Hi everyone, I am Yasuka and it's time for Massage Monday. Recently, I visited my friend and somehow we started talking about face masks. This is me at the Korean spa with the face mask. There are many kinds for different purposes, but I haven't used them much because you have to lie down or look up sitting so it stays on your face as it becomes dry. And you can't do much while you treat your face with this. Then my friend told me a great solution. This silicone face mask to wear over the face mask. It's supposed to keep your face mask moist on your face longer, and you can do other things while you treat your face. I guess it's been around for about 4 years, but I never knew about this, so I'm going to try this. This is my very first time I'm going to use this Japanese face mask with this. It's so wet, it's dripping. So yeah, it sticks pretty good because it's really wet. I can already feel it's kind of sagging, and when I move my head it's kind of get displaced. So now I'm going to use this silicone moisturizing mask that goes over this. And there's a hook for ears, so you put one on the ear, the other one on the other ear. There. Wow. It looks really fitting. Actually, it feels good for my face. Okay, so I really like how it feels on my face. I can move my head and it doesn't move. It's very secured. And I think it really helps to keep the air out where it was kind of bubbly. For me, this is really snug and it fits fine, but if you happen to have a larger face, there is a way to adjust the size by cutting the line that's around this ear hook. And it's kind of getting warm too because it's silicone and I think it retains heat inside. So with this, I can multitask. With the neck stretcher I did, and even read the book, watch the TV, cook, whatever you want to do. I think this is a great time saver because now you can multitask as you're getting beautiful. I do not recommend answering the door with this on unless it's a Halloween because you already look like a Jason from Friday the 13th. I also heard that your family may take a picture of you with this and share it with others, so be careful. It's been about 10 minutes now and this is definitely keeping it moist longer because this doesn't let it evaporate easily. If you have Daiso Japan in your area, this is only $1.50. But if you don't have Daiso in your area, you can still get it on Amazon. So I'll put the link below. So this is getting pretty tight now. So my ears are getting annoyed. So if you're claustrophobic, maybe this is not a good idea for a long time. Maybe just a short time. My face feels good, nice and moisturized, and I think 10 minutes is the max with this mask without adjusting the size. You see there's a line that you can cut around to adjust the size around the ears. So now that I know I have this helper to keep the face mask on, I will be trying face mask more often. So after using this, you can wash it and use it over and over again, which is another nice thing about this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.